Warriors, my friends, my extended family, welcome to another important video. Before I get into this important video, I want to remind you that the Health Anxiety Program is now available. 12 Weeks to Freedom begins today. And boy, oh boy, my friends, this technique that I'm going to talk about today and give you the exact steps to implement isn't just any technique. I only use about a handful of techniques in my sessions with people because that's all I have to use. The technique has to be working very quickly. It has to be efficient. It has to get to the root cause of a person's anxiety disorder. It has to help them move from a place of suppression to a place of expression. That's what chair coaching does, or what's commonly referred to as being chair therapy. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to give you the step-by-step process of how I like to implement chair coaching to gain the most benefit from it. But understand a few things about chair coaching first and foremost. Chair coaching helps us to reframe past experiences, childhood onwards, and it also helps us to rebuild past relationships. Those relationships are not broken, they're just bent. And through chair coaching, you can get to a place in your life where those things that happen to you are no longer evil. They're no longer bad. They're no longer negative. They are just experiences. And through chair coaching, you get the feeling that I am grateful for those experiences. Why, Dennis? Well, because I could never have learned these lessons from anywhere, through anything else. So you actually get to a place of gratitude for those experiences. It's absolutely amazing. Chair coaching forces us to do what we've been running from for far too long. You know, people are driving in their cars these days, and they get this flash of something that happened to them. Someone who did something that they did not appreciate from back in the day. And as they're driving, what they tend to do is they turn the volume up of the song that's playing in their car louder, rather than going directly towards the root cause of the problem. And today, through chair coaching, that's what we're going to do, my friends. So I want you to conjure up a certain degree of willpower. I want you to conjure up an open mind and an open heart, and allow me to explain step by step what you need to do to implement chair coaching in your life today. Get a pen, get a piece of paper, write these steps down, because I want you to comment in the comment section below in terms of what your experience was with chair coaching after you did it. Okay? Very, very important. Step 1 is place a chair across you. I'm sitting in a chair, and I place another chair across me. Very, very simple. And as you're doing chair coaching, make sure that it's in an environment where you won't be distracted by anything or anybody else. This is your time to heal. Step 2 is close your eyes and use your sense of smell to bring in a person that will be imaginatively sitting in that chair. So I want you to remember what this person smelled like. And as you close your eyes in step 2, smell that person. Smell goes directly to our emotional brain. And what tends to happen is we are dialed in to what we feel emotional towards. So that would be step 2. Step 3 is speak your truth. Begin speaking to this person like you've never spoken to them before. Tell them how they made you feel. Let them know some of the mistakes that they made in their own lives towards you. Bring out certain experiences where you felt like, my God, I can't believe they did that to me when I was a child. So step 3 is just start speaking. Speak, speak, speak. And you're going to have a sense of discomfort here. You're going to have a sense of uncertainty. You're going to feel very, very vulnerable when you're doing this exercise. And guess what? All of that is okay. Step 4 is once you've spoken your truth and you feel like at an emotional level you have expressed everything you need to express, find the part of you that can forgive that person and forgive once and for all. Don't forgive at a head level. Forgive at a heart level. Really feel like, you know what? It's time for me to forgive you. Not for you, although I do wish you peace. I'm forgiving you because I'm no longer going to allow you to take up so much time, focus, energy from me anymore. It's time for me to move on. And in order for me to move on, I have to forgive. The Course in Miracles says, a lack of forgiveness is the root cause of all illness. So step 4 is about forgiving that person. Step 5 is about writing down the lessons that you learned. When you're done with the experience, in your journal, write down all the lessons that you learned. Okay? This is powerful. Don't think about it so much. Just come from a heartfelt place. Let's go through these steps that I want you to implement today to implement chair coaching in your life. Now, if you feel like there are some fragments left over, there are some things that you need to continue to say to this person, do it again. Then do it again, then do it again. Until you get to a place where you feel like it's done. When you feel like it's done, you can move away from chair coaching. And when you get the sense that something else isn't completed from the past, then you can put that person in the chair next. Step 1 is place a chair in front of you. Step 2 is to use your sense of smell to bring in that person, literally smell that person. Step 3 is to speak your truth. Speak, speak, speak. Let it out. Let it out emotionally. Step 4 is to forgive in the end. Always, always, always forgive. And if you feel like that person doesn't deserve forgiveness, do it for yourself. Do it for you. And step 5 is to write down the lessons that you gained from the experience. Oh my God, I'm so excited that you're going to begin implementing chair coaching in your life. Remember, this is a primary intervention. It is not meant to calm your nervous system the way a meditation would. It is meant to get to the root cause of your anxiety disorder, to release the guilt, release the blame, release the unforgiveness, release the heat, the anger, the rage that is playing out in your body right now. And you can do so through your words. My friends, I want to leave you with this. Starve the fear and feed the trust. Trust in the technique. Trust in yourself. Have the courage to do this. And I want you to comment below on your experience with chair coaching. I can't wait to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do and receive the very best anxiety support on YouTube. I'll see you very, very soon. And never forget that you are more than anxiety.